What's something people don't know about health? It's more than just hitting the gym. Let's break it down. Health and well-being are your golden tickets to a balanced life. It's not just about being disease-free, but thriving in every way. Physical health? Think balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and quality sleep. Your body will thank you with more energy and endurance. But wait, mental health is just as crucial. Managing stress, building emotional resilience, and staying connected with loved ones can do wonders. Remember, a sound mind leads to a sound body. And hey, don't forget social well-being. Strong relationships and community engagement boost your mood and longevity. Lastly, embrace spiritual well-being. Whether it's through mindfulness, meditation, or finding your purpose, it's key to a fulfilled life. The best part? Small, consistent steps in these areas can lead to big changes. So start today. Invest in your health and well-being and watch your life transform, because you deserve to live your best life.